Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 21, and it states that a silver atom in a solid oscillates in simple harmonic motion in some direction with a frequency of 10 raised to power 12 per second. What is the force constant of the bonds connecting one atom with the other? The mole weight of silver is 108 and the Avogadro number is 6.02 in 10 raised to power 23 gram per mole. And here, so let's first start with the things which are given to us. As we know, the formula's frequency is 1 upon t, and that can be opened upon 1 upon 2 pi into root k by m, and this can be further written as, the first thing which we can do is we can square both the sides, square both the sides. What happens is it will transform into f square equal to 1 upon 2 pi square into k by m, and now from here we can simply take out the value of k, which is m into 2 pi f whole square, and the value of m can be easily calculated by 108, that is the mole weight of silver upon the Avogadro number, that is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. And when we will compute this, the answer which is coming is 18 into 10 raised to power 26. We are simply going to take this value and we are going to put in the equation of k. The moment we are going to put this, we are simply going to get the answer 7.2 Newton per meter, and here we have taken pi square equal to 10, and if we look closely, the only answer which is close to this is D option, 7.1 Newton per meter.